Objects Unlimited. We're a 3D printing company. We do 3D printing and 3D scanning. We're both a service bureau and an equipment reseller. It's been a big change in landscape since I started with 3D printing in 2011. Seeing things change an awful lot. One of the great epiphanies I had was when I first met Mosaic Manufacturing. I walked into their offices and I was frankly quite surprised at the quality of the parts that were being produced off the Element printer, and such a value proposition machine was really producing parts that were quite comparable to my professional machines, and that piqued my interest quite a lot. One of the challenges that we certainly have in selling FDM products these days is cost, because some of the legacy manufacturer machines are tied to specific materials which do cost quite a bit of money, and they're often not flexible for us to try all the different types of materials that have now come on the market over the last few years. So Array certainly gives us the opportunity to take on volume production jobs where the price point's maybe a little bit lower. With some of our industrial equipment, price point is not always possible. So we tend to turn that business away until we got our Array system. What we now have is the ability to make a few hundred parts that maybe aren't $50 or $60 a piece, that are maybe $2 or $3 or $4 a piece that we can sell profitably. I'm a very involved owner. 3D printing parts is my job, it's my passion, it's my hobby, but also very focused on customer service. And with extrusion printing specifically, some of the jobs can be pretty long. They can be 20 or 30 hours. And I've often given up part of my weekend to come in here and the tray out of one machine, put a new tray in, hit go, come back in 20 hours later. And it's great to be able to provide that type of service to our customers, and it's great to provide that speed. But honestly, I'd prefer to be at home on Saturday morning eating cornflakes and hanging out with my kids, and Array will give me the opportunity to be here less. A key factor in our facility is redundancy, and most of the equipment that we have here, we have multiple pieces of equipment that can do the same type of work in case something goes wrong. Now what the Array brings is built-in redundancy. Not only do I have a machine that can produce excellent parts for me, it's actually several machines that produce excellent parts for me. If I'm concerned about an urgent order, I'll just run the same part twice concurrently on two different machines, and it doesn't take me any extra time. It just gives such an additional peace of mind. On top of that, the flexibility of the Array also enables us to take an order for a PETG part, a nylon part, and a Ultim part, and make them all overnight on the one piece of equipment. It's been really exciting working with the team at Mosaic Manufacturing. They really remind me of the people here at Objects Unlimited. Everybody's super engaged, excited, intelligent, and driving forward to try and push this industry along.